guys, welcome. This is Deepika from MyTutorialRack.com, and in this video we are going to learn about Salesforce trusted AI principles, which means whenever Salesforce is building any kind of AI model, they are keeping these principles in mind. They are sticking by these principles. So what are these principles? The number one we have is responsible. The number two principle is accountable. Number three we have is transparent. Number four is empowering, and the number fifth we have is inclusive. So these are the 5 principles they are going to follow whenever they are building any kind of Salesforce product. Okay, so what is the meaning of responsible? So whenever they are building an AI model or any kind of product, they are being responsible and they are making sure that they strive to safeguard the human rights. The data that we are going to feed to this AI model is safe. So they're making sure that they are not just building a product to make money. They are making sure that the data that we are using is not being shared with somebody that's not supposed to. They're being mindful of that. So Salesforce strive to safeguard human rights, to protect the data we are trusted with, observe scientific standards. They're using proper standards, and they are making sure they have policies against abuse. Okay, so making sure they are not abusing the data to their advantage. So that is the number one principle they have. The number two principle is being accountable. So whenever they are building any kind of Salesforce products, they're making sure that they are accountable to their customers, to their partners, to their vendors, and also accountable to the society. And the product that they're building, they are continuously improving that product based on the feedback. Okay, so that is what the meaning of accountability here is. So we believe, basically we means Salesforce believes in holding ourselves accountable to our customers, to our partners, and to the society. Salesforce will seek independent feedback for continuous improvement of the practice and policies, and also work to mitigate harm to the customers and consumers. That is what accountable means. Okay, so whatever product that they are building, they are continuously improving that, and they are also taking feedback from its customers, taking feedback from its partners, etc. And accordingly, they are modifying the product. Then the third one we have is being transparent. Now, whenever you are using any of Salesforce products, like let's say you're using the product to forecast your sales, okay, how many opportunities you're going to win, things like that, right? So they are going to be using your data to figure out those answers, right? So whenever Salesforce is helping you with the answer, they will also provide you what kind of data sets they have used, how did they concluded that answer. They'll also will be transparent with how they came to that conclusion. Okay, so that is what transparent means. Salesforce strive to ensure our customers understand the why behind each AI-driven recommendation and prediction, so they can make informed decision, identify unintended outcomes, and mitigate the harm. So basically, what does that mean by being transparent is whenever you are using any of the Salesforce products, for example, you're using a Einstein prediction builder, which is going to help you to make some predictions, then how did they come to those answers? Salesforce is going to help you. Salesforce will tell you. Salesforce will be transparent with you that we came to this conclusion based on these things. So that is what we have the meaning of transparent here. Empowering. Salesforce is telling you that whenever you combine AI with human power, it does wonders. And Salesforce is empowering customers with this additional AI power that they can use, which can help increase their productivity. They can get more done in less time. So the product is going to empower the humans. We believe AI is best utilized when paired with human ability, augmenting people and enabling them to make better decisions. So whenever you are using AI with the human power, it's going to, along with the humans, it's going to do wonders. And we aspire to create a technology, means Salesforce is aspiring to create a technology that empowers everyone to be more productive and drive great impact within their organizations. So basically what Salesforce is telling, that we are not building these products to replace humans. We are building these products to empower humans to increase their productivity, because with all of these additional power, humans can actually focus on the work that is very, very critical, which actually needs human power to do that. Then the next one we have is inclusive. Now, Salesforce is building product which is inclusive, which includes everybody from each caste, religion, independent of what it is. It's an inclusive product. AI should improve the human condition and represent the values of those impacted, not just the creators. Now, its products is not just only going to make money, but it is also going to have an impact on the society. Salesforce will advance diversity, promote equality, and foster equity through AI. So these are the 5 principles that Salesforce sticks by, and whenever Salesforce is building products, it sticks with these principles. So I repeat, what are the principles here? We have the number 1 principle is being responsible. Then we have is accountable, transparent, empowering, and inclusive. So what is responsible means? Safeguard the human rights and protect the data we are entrusted with. So make sure that Salesforce product always you have your data safe. You don't have to worry about their data. You don't have to worry about your data being shared with other companies. You have to be, and if they do that, they'll let you know in advance and you can say yes or no to that. Accountable. It is always seeking and leveraging the feedback for continuous improvement. That is what accountable means. Transparent. Develop a transparent user experience to guide users through machine-driven recommendations, being transparent about how we build our AI. So transparent means you will know where that answer came from, what kind of data has been used in order to come to those conclusions. So that is what we have is transparent. Empowering is promote economic growth and employment for our customers, their employees, and society as a whole. So they're not building products to replace the humans. They are building products to empower the humans so that the combination of the AI and along with the human brains can do wonders and can also help you increase your productivity. Empower our customers to use our AI responsible. And the number 5th is inclusive. Respect the societal values of all those impacted, not just the one of the creators. That is what we have is the inclusive meaning. So these are the 5 principles that Salesforce keeps in mind whenever they are building their products. Okay, so I hope this lecture is crystal clear. I'm going to see you in another video with a new topic. So stay tuned for that. Thank you very much.